Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this World New Hair lace frontal wig right here. The hair actually came in this cute bag and it comes with a recap, an instruction of how to take care of your hair, baby hair stickers and baby hair stamps. I'm saying that for the first time. And it also comes with their coupon code as well. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. As you guys can tell, the wave pattern is amazing. Love the wave pattern of this hair. And I showed you guys how I installed this hair. Very simple, very straightforward, and beginner friendly. The construction of the cap is glueless. It has three combs at the front and one comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap as well. And yep, basically the hair is big head friendly because I've got big head and the hair still had quite a bit of room in it. So I really like that it was sitting comfortably on my head without any stress or sorry. So yeah, all I basically did for my first part of installing this hair was to put the hair up and cut the lace on the side where I wanted to, you know, place the what am I saying? The lace. So yeah, I did cut it, in a zigzaggy motion just to give it that natural look. So for this week, I actually like how easy it is for me to install it. So very straightforward, as I said. So I lifted that bit up and applied the glue, and that was it. I waited for the glue to turn invisible, then placed the lace exactly where I applied the glue, and that was it. I did the same thing on the other side as well, but for the other side I had to fast forward it because I don't want this video to be too long and you guys would get tired like watching the same thing all over again. So I fast forwarded the other side of the video. So yeah, I placed the hair on the lace on the glue and then press it in with the comb, the tail comb, just to give it that, you know, natural look so the hair doesn't stick on the glue, if that makes sense. Then I did the other side as well. I brushed the hair back, by the way, so that the hair wouldn't, you know, be laying on the glue and give that nasty look. So we don't want that, so we have to like comb the hair backward just to give it that natural look. So yep, that was it for the install. The same thing on the other side. Cut the lace, lift the hair up, apply the glue, wait for the glue to turn invisible, and then place the lace exactly where you um apply the glue, and that was it. So very easy, like straightforward, and that was it really. So I placed the lace exactly on where the glue is, and then yep, basically. So yep, I applied my elastic band on the hair just to, melt the lace a little bit more because already the hair was given, but we want that, melted look as well. So I went for that. As you can tell, you can pat the hair anywhere you like. You can go for center part, half part, and yep, any part of your choice. I further melted the hair down by applying my Kerry Care wax sticks and then using the hot comb to, make the hair apply more flat and not like an element, which is not looking like so anyway. But I just like, to use the hot comb just to give you more natural look. And then I went ahead and applied my concealer on the parts just to define the parts a bit more. You don't really need to do this, but I'm used to it, and voila, look at that. Look at that. The lace melted into my skin. Like, show me the lace, sis. Where is the lace? Like, I'm still looking for it. So I sprayed the hair, its protection spray on the hair, and the waves are popping. But I just thought, let's just give it a, let's call it. Let's call it. Let's curl it. Otherwise, you don't need to call this straight from the box. I love the wave pattern, but I have to do what I have to do. I have to show to you guys that the hair actually took to curls, which it did really well. I love the quality of the hair. The hair is really soft. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling, and I'm still wearing the hair as I speak right now, and the hair is giving everything it needs to give. So yeah, I love how natural the hair looks on me, and the fact that the hair is very lightweight on my head, and at the same time it's really full. I love that about the hair. And the curls are still popping, by the way, because I didn't really do much with the curls. I brushed the curls out, I comb it out, and as I speak the curls are still popping. So I didn't really need to do much, even though it's been days and days that I've actually installed this hair, and I am still loving how the hair is giving. So yep, that's the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? I love this, like super straightforward, very easy and beginner friendly, and yep, I'm enjoying it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for my review, and I will see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Worldnewhair lace frontal wig I am wearing right now. I am loving this, guys. Look at that. It's the hairline for me, guys. It's the hairline. The hairline looks so natural, and I am loving it. Just gonna quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box was the wave pattern of this hair, guys. The wave pattern was amazing. I actually believe there was no need for me to curl this hair, but as always I have to prove to you guys that this hair can actually be curled. But otherwise you can just cut your lace, install it with the elastic strap and the comb included in the construction of the cap, and you will be good to go. The construction of the cap is glueless, so you don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. But as always, I decided to use glue to install the hair so I could be able to wear it for a while, so I can give you guys more tea about the hair when I'm doing my voiceovers. Another thing I love about this hair is the lace, guys. The lace of this wig is just amazing. As you guys can tell, where is the lace? Show me the lace. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly. Like, look at that. Look at that. I love the lace of this wig, and I love the hairline of this wig as well. And I love the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. I really love the lace of this wig. It's very soft and very easy to work with. As you guys can tell, it's melted into my skin. Like, where is the lace? Says, show me the lace. Look at that. You can barely tell if I was actually wearing a wig or if this was actually my natural hair. And I love how soft and silky the hair is. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. The quality of the hair is really good, and there has been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience anything of such, and I am loving this so far. The hair is really full, and the curls are really bouncy. Another thing I love about this hair is the fact that the hair is really soft and very silky to touch, and it's also definitely true to length. As you guys can tell, the hair holds curls really well, so I am loving it. And if you guys don't know Worldnewhair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have all types of hairstyle and texture on their website. So if you're looking to get quality hair at affordable prices, I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Worldnewhair. And another thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which for me is really amazing. You guys already know when it comes to shipping, I'm always on the lookout for how quick I received my hair. So yeah, I love the fact that their shipping was really quick, and I also love the fact that the packaging also comes with so much goodies. So I didn't open this for you guys earlier. Let's have a look at what it's in there. Oh no, I didn't realize this was what this was. Oh, I love this. Like, seriously, I love this. So it also comes with this baby hair scarf, if I may say. So I love the fact that the packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies, as you guys can tell. So you can use some of the products to install your hair. Would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I'll definitely recommend this. In terms of the quality, is AA plus for me. In terms of the shipping, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how well the hair took to curls, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the lace of the wig, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of the hairline of the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. And if you're the type that like baby hair, you are in for a treat, because this hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.